Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Coach unboxing, and this time I got the popular Coach Cassie Crossbody bag. So Coach Cassie bag, as we all know, comes with a lot of different colors. So they have it in black, chalk, Aurora, which is in pink, the pine green, and also the Pollen. So I was so excited to share this with you guys that I finally got a hands on this particular color, and I was thinking that I will be adding this particular item in my collection. I was thinking that maybe I should have waited for this particular color to go on sale, and apparently last week this particular color, Pollen, went on sale, and I didn't waste my time and jumped in it. So anyways, here it is. I got this one today, and I am so excited to share this color with you guys because it is so vibrant and it's so beautiful online, and this is such a perfect color for summer. So let me open the box. So yeah, I asked them to have this one gift wrapped again, and oh my goodness, I am so excited with this. This is actually my first time to see this color. I don't even remember if I've seen this one in the store, but I am going to show you. Yes, they put it in a dust bag already, and they are trying to make it exciting for me. So this one, okay, here it is. Wow, the color is so vibrant. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, I am so surprised. Wow, it is really vibrant. It's just like almost the same as the color. I mean, the color for this particular item from the online on the website actually registers the same as in person. It's beautiful, so vibrant. Wow, so this one is in color. They call this one Pollen, this particular color, and the hardware for this one is in pewter. Yes, it is a pewter hardware. As we all know, that you guys probably have seen quite a lot of reviews on unboxing on this particular item. But yes, this one has, so this is the regular size for the Cassie. Pretty much it has the top handle. This is my most favorite part. Very nice. And this particular leather, actually, this is made up of polished pebbled leather. So it is it is glossy. This has a sheen in it. It is so beautiful. It is actually really shiny, guys. I love it. So let's open it. So that's the turnlock closure. So the inside, it has this fabric lining, and this one is probably, it's in ox blood color. Very nice and lovely color. So if you are the type of person, or if you are in a search of a particular bag that likes to have an organized compartment, this is the perfect bag for you guys. So it has a 3 organized compartment. 1, 2, 3. The one in the middle is actually larger between these two. Very nice. And yes, it has a zip closure over here, zip pocket over here. Wow, the inside is actually really nice and neat. I do love the interior lining, guys. It has a really nice contrast between this particular color in Pollen. Very lovely. Also, the back has, of course, this pocket right here. I love this one. I like to put my phone at the back. I could just slip it at the back, no problem at all. It's just for an easy access. And also this comes in, obviously, in this removable and also adjustable crossbody strap. So you could just, yeah, this color is so beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Very, very nice. I was so obsessed with this particular color, guys. I am so surprised that it's so early for the Coach to put this one on sale. And this is currently in sale for $175, original $350. And also, yeah, they do have a lot of, comes with a lot of different colors. I have already mentioned with a lot of different colors, which is also $175. 50% off. And if you are looking to get a hands on this particular bag, I would definitely gonna recommend this. I will highly recommend this Cassie. Once again, this is the regular size. I know that there is a Cassie, right? They have the Cassie 19 that is actually a little bit smaller, but that one has a removable top handle strap and also the crossbody strap as well. That's actually removable, but this is the perfect size, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, I just can't begin to think of this particular color. I mean, I have no words really with this color. It's so beautiful. It's so vibrant. It is just perfect for summer. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. And also the contrast between this pewter hardware, it is nice. It's actually a nice touch to it. And yes, really soft. Really soft, guys. Wow. It's just, I mean, it's worth it. Definitely if you love Cassie's. I mean, I know that you guys actually yeah, I know that a lot of people have been asking me in my previous videos about Cassie's if I would recommend it. Yes, of course. Beautiful bag. It is just such a practical bag. It could fit a lot of things, a lot of stuff inside, more than you could think of. Really. It is so beautiful. I would definitely gonna highly recommend this one. Once again, it comes with a lot of different colors. So pretty much more of like, I would recommend most of my Cassies, the one that I have in my collection that were not on sale is in black. So usually that particular color, black and chalk, never goes on sale. But well, I'm not gonna just, I don't know, but most of the time those particular color, black and also with chalk color, never goes on sale. But it depends on the style though. But since Cassie is so popular, I would think that the black and the chalk they wouldn't put that one in sale. But pretty much this color, the pine, I think the pine green is actually closer to a black color, and I believe that particular color is sold out online. So the one that was currently available, I checked the website. This color, which is Pollen. Oh my gosh. It's like I was so close of getting this one a month ago. I mean, I just can't get over with this particular color. I never had this color in my collection. I have one in Willis 18. That particular color is flax. I think the color is also a little bit of like a burnt yellow on the side, but this one is much more vibrant than the one that I have. Let me just get that one. Hold on, give me a minute. So here are some of the colors in my collection. This is from the Jacquemus. Beautiful yellow color. And also, yeah, this is my Willis. And also, yeah, this particular color is not as vibrant as the others, the Pollen. So let me just show this one to you guys. So yeah, all of these are, yeah, this is pretty much more vibrant. So these are the color. So these are the 3 colors. So okay, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so these are the 3 colors. Yeah. Okay, so this particular color is so vibrant in person. This one, the color for this one really pops up. I love it. And also this Willis is also nice as well. I love this Willis. And also this one, if I felt like wearing this is also a really nice, really soft material from Jacquemus. My favorite as well. But okay, going back to this. So also this one also comes with, there's a bucket for this one. It's like a drawstring bucket bag. I think they call it Laura, if I'm not mistaken. That color also is beautiful, same as this one, and that also went on sale. Apparently it's been sold out. So this particular color is very popular, and it was still on sale at the moment, 50% off. So you're probably looking at for $175, and you better get this before they sold out, because they sold out really fast. And I don't know, you know, sometimes with Coach, it's like once they sold out, it depends on the demand, the popularity. Sometimes they do replenish it, sometimes they don't. And I have several bags that I have been eyeing, and it's sold out. I can't get a hands of it, and I don't really consider getting out on the resale market. It's because, you know, the prices are ridiculously higher than the MSRP, and I really didn't like that. So yeah. And also, yeah, of course, with this particular bag, you could dress this one up pretty much more of like a lot of ways to wear this one, a lot of ways to style it. But I would probably, with this particular color, I would put a twilly on this, on the top handle, because of course with the oils from our hands, if we wear lotion or anything, or makeup, this particular handle, because it's in a brighter color, you could easily get stained from it, pretty much. But looking at the quality, yes, Coach delivers. They never failed to make this. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys. I got totally distracted with looking at the colors. So okay, yes, if you own one of the Cassies, you're already pretty much familiar with all of these compartments and its functions as well. But this particular color is gorgeous. This would definitely brighten your collections, guys. I mean, I do love bright colors. It's just this kind of color makes me happy, you know, and that's just what I needed, and that's what we needed right now. And looking at this one, I'm pretty sure that if I put this one in my collections, put it all together, this color would really stood out among all the colors that I have. And yeah, for $175, come to think of it, very functional, very practical. The style is so beautiful. The hardware, the material, the craftsmanship, the functionality. I think this bag has it all, hands down to this. I promise you guys that if you want to get one of these, I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. I am pretty sure you're going to love it, because I am loving all my Cassies, and I do use them. I do rotate my bags from time to time, but I know myself that there is just quite a few that I always likes to carry. And even now that with the situation that we're on, personally, I never put hand sanitizer in my bag. I don't want to ruin my bag. I don't want to take chances at all with the alcohol that might ruin my bag at all. So I would just put the sanitizer in the plastic. I put it in the car or in a safer area. So, but I have, I don't I never put any sanitizer on my bag at all, never, because I don't really want to take chances, even though that you didn't pay a fortune on this bag, but still you're gonna have to take care of it. Yes, this bag needs to be babied, apparently, of course, but it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. One more look, a closer look on this particular, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pop of color, guys. I would definitely gonna recommend this. I was like thinking for this bag, like how does it look like? Would it be so bright? Would it be like, yes, whatever you see online on the website, it's actually true to color, true to its color. It is vibrant, it is beautiful, it is stunning. I love it. Structured bag, pretty much. So you're just gonna have to be careful, because I think this particular bag could attract color transfer as well as dirt and wear at the bottom. Pretty much this particular color, usually the wear you could see a lot on the corners, on the side. So you just have to be, you know, aware with that. And also, if you have, like, the way I took care of my bag is I always wipe it with just a microfiber with water. I don't put any sort of like conditioner or all kinds of stuff like that with my leather. And also, like, you know, I don't really put any soap or whatever. It's just like water and the microfiber, and I just wipe it if I see something that is dirt or whatever. And yeah, beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? Yes, I would highly recommend this, guys. And pretty much you better act fast. You better act now if you want one of these before they sold out. And yeah, and also with the summer sale that they're going on, they do replenish a lot of sale items every single day, so you just have to check the website. So anyways, that's it for my Cassie Crossbody reveal for today. And the color is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next unboxing video. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.